I'm Marshall from Black River. Let's talk about the GT Topper. When we built this one-of-a-kind revolutionary topper, we wanted to solve a handful of problems: security, accessibility, and durability. Let's talk about security. With double-walled air-grade aluminum and DOT-rated tempered glass, if you can't get inside the tailgate, you're not getting in the topper. Let's talk about accessibility. Our patent-pending clamshell design offers accessibility from 270 degrees and in the topper. I mean, I'm no short king and I'm standing in here. We don't mess around. This thing has been through a salt spray lab. It's been tested for sun fading. It's been in a cold chamber. It's built for durability and it can take a beating. The Matrix GT truck topper. It's lightweight, easy to install. Learn more at blackriverbysummit.com.